Exercise 10.4, question number 11. Find dy by dx. The question is y is equal to tan inverse of 6x by 1 minus x square. So solution, you bring this tan this side, so this will become tan y is equal to 6x by 1 minus 9x square. Okay, right. Now this 6x can be written as 2 into 3x. 6x divided by 1 minus 3x the whole square. 3 squared is 9, x squared. Now we introduce this implies tan y. Let tan theta equal to 3x. Here I want to replace 3x by tan theta so that I will get a trigonometric formula. So if we do that, tan y 2, for 3x I am replacing by tan theta divided by 1 minus 3x tan theta. Therefore 3x the whole square is tan square theta. So we will be getting 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. This is nothing but a famous formula, tan 2 theta. That is tan y is equal to tan 2 theta. So we all know the formula for tan 2a, which is 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a. Here we have theta, therefore 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta is tan 2 theta. Now this tan and tan gets cancelled. So we will be having y is equal to 2 theta. Okay. Now we have to substitute the value for theta. So from this relation we have tan theta is equal to 3x. Therefore theta is equal to tan inverse of 3x. So in the place of theta you substitute 2. In the place of theta you substitute tan inverse of 3x. Okay. Now bring this to this side. So it will become y by 2, which is equal to tan inverse of 3x. Once again bring this tan this side. So what you will get? So you will be having tan y by 2 equal to 3x. Now this 3x can be written as 3x divided by 1. So now we can draw a right angled triangle. This angle is y by 2. So tan y by 2 is opposite side is 3x. Adjacent side is 1. Okay. Therefore hypotenuse is 1 square plus 3x square, that is 9x square under root. So this is the information we have from this relation. Okay. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x. So d by dx of tan y by 2. If you differentiate left hand side, you have to do the same thing right hand side, d by dx of 3x. Now differentiation of tan y by 2 is secant square y by 2 You all know that differentiation of tan x is secant square x. And once again we have to differentiate the inner function. That is, you have to differentiate y by 2. In that 1 by 2 is constant. And you differentiate y, you will get dy by dx. So once again I repeat, differentiation of tan y by 2 is secant square y by 2. You have to differentiate the inner function. 1 by 2 is constant. Differentiation of y is dy by dx. Right hand side, if you come, 3 is constant, you pull it outside, dx by dx is 1. So the differentiation of 3x is 3. Now bring this to other side, and secant squared y by 2 also to the other side. So what you will get is dy by dx into 2 6 divided by secant square y by 2. Okay, now secant squared y by 2 from this relation. So from the diagram above, secant y by 2, you all know that cos is adjacent side by hypotenuse, whereas for secant it is hypotenuse root of 1 plus 9x squared divided by adjacent side, which is 1. Okay, right. Now 6 divided by, so secant squared y by 2 is equal to, you square this, 1 plus 9x squared, 1 square is 1. So in the place of secant square y by 2 we can substitute 1 plus 9x square. So dy by dx is equal to 6 divided by 1 plus 9x square is the answer. Thanks for watching. Nandri.